Okay, let's just make sure we're focused on what we're doing. This is Figma number 2, and you're looking at the handout right now. The goal here, and I'm going to hop over to Figma, the goal is to create icons. And you use mostly these shape tools that are up here provided in Figma to do the building of the icons. I showed a couple of other things in the instructional video that I posted in the previous session about some other things that can help you with this. But most of the work is done with these shape tools up here. If you're wondering, okay, what icons do I have to create? You're looking at them right now. Plus, if you go look at the handout that was provided for this assignment and you scroll this down, there are 8 of them. Here are the first 4: a home icon, an arrow, a profile, a calendar icon, and then scroll it on down, a mail or message icon, a photo icon, a video icon, a group icon, and then there's a bonus opportunity for a like icon. Remember that you do not have to do 2 of them. I put 2 different ideas down there, like a thumbs up or a heart. But if you can do any kind of like icon, that's worth bonus on this assignment. You don't have to do bonus if you don't want to. Remember that the things that could help you get the job done are posted back on week 5, the Friday, Monday assignment. And here is the YouTube video. And I know it's long. I know it's 29 minutes, and nobody wants to watch a 29-minute video. I know that. But I showed you how to do it. So if you just at least watch parts of it, it shows you what to do. It shows you how to get the job done. And the handout is posted for you right here. The handout I already kind of showed you here, right? It has like examples of the icons that you are asked to create on this assignment. So what I'm trying to do in this short video right now is just keep you focused on what your goal is. If you haven't gotten this done yet, if this has not been done and submitted, then you need to work on it. You need to work on getting it done. A home, arrow, profile, calendar, message, image, group, video. They don't have to look just like mine, but you got to work on designing them. That's the whole point behind this assignment. You build them and you design them yourself. When you're all done, you come up to the share buttons that's in the top right-hand corner. Make sure this says anyone with the link. You're going to copy the link, and you're going to turn that link in on Google Classroom. So again, this little video is just to keep you on target, just to keep you focused on what it is that we're shooting for on this assignment. 8 different icons. Here they are. Don't have to look just like mine, but you got to build them. All right. Everything else that you need was posted back here on the Friday, Monday assignment, and that's also where you would turn it in if you get it done. All right. That's the focus of the day. Off you go.